In 2023 alone, Spotify paid creators on their platform about $9 billion. Now, these creators did one simple thing. They uploaded their music on their platform and their audience engaged by streaming on those songs, and they were able to partake from that $9 billion. Now, this is not one of those scams or stories about you watching ads or doing something for you to make money online. This is an active way you can build wealth for yourself. Two ways I will share right now about how you can make music that would sound like this.
Feel the rhythm in your feet. Move to the baseline sweep. Sun is high, sky's no limit. Dance till we feel the heat. Night is young and hearts are free. Every step in harmony. Let the music guide our souls. In this moment we are whole. High on rhythm, can you feel it? High on rhythm, can you hear it? We are one under the night sky. High on rhythm, you and I.
The fun part about this music is that I did not write it, I did not sing it, I did not mix any music or any sound for me to create this masterpiece. I only did one thing. I used AI. And I'm about to show you how you can do it also. With no further ado, let's get right into this video. So the first thing you need to do is to go on to Chrome and type in Google Gemini, and it's going to bring you to this place. Google Gemini is somewhat like ChatGPT, and I'm going to click on Chat with Gemini so that I can proceed with the question. So yeah, it's going to show me the terms of service, and I just need to click if I accept all their terms of services. You can read to know what it's really about, but I did not read, so I'm just going to click on Use Gemini. So it has brought me to this interface that says, welcome to Gemini. As you try Gemini, please remember Gemini will not always be right. Gemini can use extensions. So that is to tell you that it's not everything that you see on these AIs that are correct or accurate, because AI was created by humans and everything must not be as accurate as we might want. So now you can enter your prompt here. So I've explained what a prompt is. A prompt is just to describe what you want the AI to create for you, and they already have somewhat like a beginner of things that you can ask. But now I'm going to say, give me a prompt to create an AI song that is a bit inspirational and ideal for workout and gym. So he's going to start writing me something that I can use to create an AI song. So this is a prompt to tell it what I want. So now I'm going to copy this prompt now because I've already got it. It says create an energetic, upbeat pop song with powerful and intense beat and driven chorus. So it has just described what I want. So I'm just going to copy this, and once I copy it, I will save it and then proceed to another platform where I will input this prompt. So this is a platform where I'll actually create an AI song with just that prompt that I created from Google Gemini. So I attempted to type in my prompt, but because I don't have an account, so it's asking me to sign up with Google, Microsoft, but I choose to sign up with my phone number. So when I inputted my phone number, it started loading, and then I was waiting patiently. Then after a while, it said I should verify that I am human, which I did. Then it showed that my phone number is not valid for this because I added the first zero. Since there is +234, which is your country number already, you shouldn't write the number complete. So you remove the zero in the front and then you can impute the number. Just like I did here, I will remove that first zero and then it will be 8079226617 plus the country number, which is +234. So now I'm going to verify, and then it's going to send me an OTP code into that my phone number, and automatically you can see that the OTP code has arrived. It didn't even take up to a second, and the OTP has been imputed directly, and then I can use this platform finally. So now that I'm at this platform, I'll click on create because I want to create something new, and then I'll paste that prompt here. Once I've pasted the prompt, I'll click on create again, and then I'll wait for a while before the song gets produced, and I can now access it. So now the song has produced, and it says rise to the top, rise to the top. You can see that the song was created in two forms, which is the upbeat one and the slower beat one. So now you can download this song either in a video format or in an audio format. Once you click on that three dotted line, three dotted vertical line, you can just go on and try to download it immediately. There are also other things which is edit details, which means you can just rename the detail, you can reuse the prompt, you can just do various things on that part of the app. And once you're done, the song was automatically downloaded into my phone, and this is the song now. So this was the song I used for other things that I wanted to do. And again, you can edit your prompt, make it better. Also, these are the plans. So there is the one I'm using now is the free one, which is the $0. But this $0, I cannot use the songs for commercial purposes. But once I paid $10 for a month, all the songs here can be used for monetization, and there will be no issue with copyright or anything like that. But if you don't subscribe to this subscription, there is a very high chance that every song you produce, you cannot use it for commercial purposes, and you cannot just use it to make any form of income for yourself. So you can also read about credits that they give every day, which will enable you to, create content. So now that I've shown you how you can create music using AI for free, what next? How do you then make this money? You might be asking me this question, or it might be running through your mind. Well, I'm here to provide you with the answers. What you need to do after this, or what you need to know, is that for you to use these songs for commercial purposes, for you to use them to make money, you have to subscribe to the monthly subscription on this website known as Sumo. Suno is not going to allow you to use their music if you're not subscribed to the monthly subscription, especially when you're trying to make money with it. The subscription only costs $10. So don't allow $10 to be something that is going to stop you from achieving your dream and creating some wealth for yourself. Something about this is that you can also use the song for your background music, and you can say bye bye to all the copyright claim on all your videos, because I myself have experienced situations whereby I created videos and I didn't get a copyright claim and everything, but years later I'm seeing a copyright claim on my music because I used someone's music and the person has decided to copyright it. So now this is something that you can do to save yourself all those stress. So once you've done all these steps that I just mentioned now, the first thing you then need to do is to go onto this platform and upload your music. Go onto Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music. All these platforms will pay you individually. This is the way artists make money, honestly, because a lot of them are living in luxury, and you're wondering, how are these people living in so much luxury? Well, people stream their music and they get paid. It's just almost the same thing as you uploading your videos on YouTube, because when you upload, YouTube will pay you. So even they're also making money from YouTube as well, because they upload the music videos on YouTube and they upload it on various platforms. So all those platforms, at the end of the year, most artists make about 200 million plus. So that is how they are able to afford that lifestyle. So you don't need to start saying, okay, this person is doing something illegal. They are just making money the smart way. Now, when you upload on this platform and people stream your songs, you're going to get paid. But please do not forget about marketing, because marketing is an integral part of any online activity you are doing today for you to make money. If you're not marketing right, you're not going to make a dime. That is the simple truth. If you're not doing anything about marketing, your channel is going to grow, but it's going to grow on a slower pace, just like I'm doing on my channel. But if you really want to grow, you need to have like a little stipend that you invest in marketing. The second way for you to make money using this music that we just created is for you to upload on YouTube. Now I'm going to show you this channel which posts only content on which only posts music on gym, workouts, taking a walk on the road, and they are constantly making money, and their videos range from 100,000 views to 1 million views. Channel, all their videos get views, they have subscribers, they have everything. Also, this second channel is a channel that dedicates their music to relaxation, meditation, and things like that. And you can see that their views also range from about 100,000 to at least 2 million plus. So they are making money on a daily basis. And it's time that you did the same for yourself. Now we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video was concise and easy for you to understand. If you have questions, I'll gladly respond to you in the comment section. Please drop them, subscribe to my channel, turn your notifications so that more content like this will come your way. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye bye.